In this demonstration, we are going to learn how to get the Base64 content for any file when we upload the file using file picker component in our Visual Builder application. For demonstration purpose, I have created a very simple application as you are seeing on the screen. So this application is built with the Reroute page template, and this is the welcome page template what I am using it over here. So this is a very simple page where I am having only couple of components. One is the file picker component over here, and under that we are having a text area where it will be showing the Base64 converted text in this section. Now this use case will be very useful when you are building an application wherein your user will be uploading the file from the local storage or the file storage on their computer, and if you are calling any API or some other system which it requires to convert to Base64 and send to that particular API. Some of the APIs which are very old, outdated, so they are still accepting the file content in the Base64. In such cases, in order to provide the backward compatibility or make use of those systems, we have to convert our file to Base64 and then we have to call the endpoint. So this use case will fit in such case of scenarios. Before I walk you through the code, how I have achieved the same, I will show a quick demonstration on the use case. I will select the file picker component over here and select one of the PDF files. Select this. It has opened the file explorer on my Windows computer. I will demonstrate by uploading couple of files over here. One is the PDF. I will select this PDF file and click on open. So this is going to convert the file content to Base64. As you can see, it has converted and it is displaying the Base64 content for my PDF file. So you can copy, paste somewhere, or if you are calling the endpoint, you can pass to that particular endpoint. I will select one more kind of file, that is file.pdf. Again, this is a PDF file. So it has generated the Base64 content for this file. Now you might ask, this will work only for PDF file? The answer is no, this will work for any kind of files. For demonstrating, I will select the image file, that is the JPG. Click on OK. So this is the Base64 content for the image file, what you are seeing in my screen. So this will be very useful when you're calling some application and that application accepts the Base64 content only and not the binary. Now I will walk you through the code. So this is the application which I have created with Oracle Visual Builder, and I'm making use of the Reroute template. So this is a very simple application as I told you, and it is making use of welcome page template, and the only parameter which I have created over here is the Base64 content and it is of type string. Coming to the page, here I'm having only two components. One is a file picker and there is the divider, that is the horizontal rule, just to separate file picker and the text area. So this variable or the text area is used just to show the converted Base64 content. Now when the user selects the file using this file picker, I have created one event. I will get into this event. So this event listener will listen to the file upload kind of events in our browser. As soon as it sees a user has uploaded a file, it will execute the set of actions which I have written in the action chain. So in this action chain, I'm having couple of actions over here. One is to assign the Base64 converted data to the variable which is populating the text area, that's over here. And before that, we are having the convert logic, wherein we are going to convert the file picker selected file to the Base64. Now you might know that whenever we upload a file using the file picker, the variable will be created in the action chain that is with the name files. So this will hold n number of files what you are uploading with file picker. In this use case, I have restricted the user only to upload a single file. In your case, if you are having multiple files, then you have to put the for loop. Now here if you see, I am saying files of 0. That means I am uploading only one file. So the index in Visual Builder or the JavaScript starts from 0 and not from 1. So my first file will be at index 0. So I'm saying files of 0 pass to this input argument which I have created in this convert file to Base64 JavaScript function. I will go to the JavaScript function. So this is a very simple JavaScript function. Suppose if you remove this console.log and all, it will be very small function, just 3 to 4 lines of code. So I have created this function with the single argument, that is the file. and I'm just making use of this file reader off, and I'm just converting this to the base64 content over here. So this piece of code, what you're seeing is when we convert any file content to base64, we will be having the metadata of the file, like what is the file type. Like if it is an image, it will have an image JPEG or the application / PDF, like this information that I'm just trimming out, and I'm taking whatever is there in the index 1. Suppose if you see the response over here, if we don't trim, what we will see is we will see that application / PDF and the comma. So what I'm doing is up to comma I'm removing so that we get only the base64 content of the file. So this is a very simple JavaScript function I have written for this use case. Suppose if I remove the console.log, so the code is very small, just the 3 to 4 lines of code. So this code is only of this much lines. So like this, we can build a very simple application or the JavaScript function which can convert the uploaded file using file picker component to the base64 content.